YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce this new green expert. This one is the 1/3 horsepower sump pump, which is submersible with a unique flow sensor, switch last inch water clean drain designed for completely water removable from flooded basement, laundry rooms, pools, hot tubs, spa, or in case your home has some kind of water damage, like a kitchen or toilet overflow in your bathroom or restroom. This will be a great item to clean your flooded damage. By the way, this one has two work modes. One is manual and then the other one's auto. They also come with a plastic adapter kit, non-return valve. And by the way, if you have a certain area that you don't have a garden hose and outlet, you could use a bucket or and then submerge this unit and then become a water gardening hose. By the way, they have 3 different horsepower. This one's the 1/3 horsepower, and there's also a half horsepower or a quarter horsepower. By the way, I'd like to give the shout out to their marketing team for sending me this, so I could do this unboxing so you guys could check out this item. And this is by Green Expert. The model number is 203629. Submersible sump pump with the water sensor switch. So this one will suck up 2,000 gallons per hour for clean water only. Here's the specification right here. The core length is 25 feet. Lowest water sucking level is 0.4 inch. And then pump starting level is at 1/5 inch. And here's the pump installation. Submersible sump pump. And then flexible hose, not included. Power supply is 115 volt, 60 hertz. And then number 4, nylon rope. So in case we want to hook this up as a shower or any of the faucet, you can also do that too. And the product is made in China. Let's go ahead and open this up. And here's the instruction manual. By the way, you don't want to turn the motor on when there's no water. You might burn the motor. So and they come with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 this adapter, so you can connect it to your either the pipe or your watering hose. So you gotta make sure the unit is gonna be set evenly. Here's some of the warranty informations. So this is the bottom where it's sucking the water. And then you have the position right here for the sensor. So when you sit this down on the floor, you can suck about 0.4 inch. Right here is 2.5 inch. And if you put a sensor right here, it's 3.5 inch. And then up here is 5 inch. So right here is an automatic setting right here, okay? So you just need to hook on this. Either right here like this. For the 2.5 inch, 3.5, or 5 inch. So you can see the motor in there as well. Wow, look at this heavy duty. This is 3 prongs. So this is the 90-degree elbow angle. Need a screw in here. And here are some of the different adapter right here. So make sure you install this correctly, okay? So it's gonna suck in the water from the bottom and then push out here. So make sure that this rubber seal is in this position, not like this. It says out. And if you want to switch to this adapter, this one is for your gardening hose, okay? And then you can connect this to your gardening hose. So you could, if you want to become like a faucet or like a shower head, in case you go camping, you could also use this as a shower. And they have different size connections, the sizes. So this one is the 3/4 MPT, and then this one is the 1 inch or 1 inch MPT. And then right here, this one is 1.5 inch. We can use as a 1.5 inch MPT. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then test this out. It's a quick stock guide right here. Alright, so we're over here in the restroom. I'm gonna plug the bathtub so I get some water in here, and then I got the gardening hose right here. Get ready to connect it to the unit so we can do this test. Alright, so I'm going to move the sensor at the higher level position. So I'm just going to test out to see if the motor is going to come on. By the way, I haven't plugged it in yet, so don't worry. So if the sensor is over there, it should not come on. So I plug in so the motor doesn't come on. So I'm going to unplug it again, and I'm going to put the sensor on the bottom. So if your water level is too high, that's why you need to have a nylon rope to tie it somewhere so it can hang evenly, okay? So the pump works. I'm not sure if maybe it's the flex hose. It's not working properly. On the other side, I change it to like a regular hose. Yeah, so actually it works and everything. So I guess it's not gonna work with the flex hose. So if you have a flex hose, you want to use a regular garden hose. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, like always. Peace.